Credit Karma provides free credit scores and credit monitoring tools, but the score you see may not always match the score a lender uses when you apply for credit. By the end, you'll know why Credit Karma scores can be different, what information the service uses, and how to use it correctly in 2026. The biggest thing to understand is that there is more than one type of credit score. Different companies use different scoring models, and lenders may use a different model depending on the type of credit you are applying for. Credit Karma typically shows scores based on the VantageScore model using information from credit bureaus. Many lenders, especially for major loans and credit decisions, may use other scoring models such as FICO scores. A difference between your Credit Karma score and a lender's score does not automatically mean one is wrong. It usually means the scores are calculated using different models or different versions of your credit information. Credit Karma can still be useful because it helps you monitor changes in your credit profile. If your credit report shows a new account, a missed payment, or another major change, monitoring tools can help you notice those updates. The best way to use Credit Karma is as a tracking tool, not as a guaranteed prediction of approval. Use it to watch trends, review credit report information, and understand how your financial actions may affect your credit. You should also check your actual credit reports for accuracy. If you see incorrect information, you may need to dispute errors with the credit bureau reporting the information. Before applying for a major financial product, find out which credit score model the lender uses if that information is available. This gives you a better idea of what score matters for that specific decision. Credit Karma may not show the exact score a lender sees, but it can still provide useful information about your overall credit health. So, is Credit Karma accurate in 2026? It is accurate for the scoring model and information it provides, but it may not match every lender's credit score. The important thing is understanding what the number represents. Use Credit Karma to monitor your credit, check for changes, and build better financial habits. If this helped you understand how Credit Karma scores work, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of money tools and financial apps.